All right. Hey, this is comparables for 8999 Southwest Pippen Lane in Tigard. All right. So we're looking at a three bedroom, 2,300 square feet house. Let me see the location here. Okay. Next to Durham, Tigard Tiger School District. All right, let me just get my bearings here. Oh, I'm tired. Pretty traditional home. Nice hardwood floors. It's got a good little office there, dining area, family room. Nice garage into the kitchen. Very nice granite countertops. Nice cabinetry. Great. Okay, so looks like there's an office as well in the back. Don't know where this office is compared to. Looks like the upper floor. Yeah, looks like in pretty good condition. Nice balcony. Covered patio area. Perfect. All right. Let's go take a look at some comparables. 2,300 square feet. Built in 2000. All right. So we're going to go for some pendings, some sales past 3 months. Let's go ahead and do year built. Nothing outside of 2007. Let's see. Square footage. 2000 to 30. Pretty sure we don't need to go that far as well. That large. Excuse me. And let's go with the detached home. Let's see how much coming up. 18. So here's Pippen at 550. Let's see where all these are sold or are going to go. This one's a little bit newer, 2007. Wow. Okay, so very close to the property. This one's at 2,100 square feet. This is 540. Okay, this is very similar. Well, it's probably looks like the same footprint. Yeah, it's like a mirror of the house. White cabinetry. It's pretty dang similar. Let's see, Bellflower. Yeah, Pippin's right here. It's actually a really good comparable. Built in 1999, so very similar, 2,400 square feet. This one's a little larger. This one listed at 535 and then went to 542 back in May. Okay, so did it? Oh, and sellers contributed 10,000. May, June, July. So 3 months ago, still a hot market. So I'm thinking it should go up 2 or 3% as well. That's a really good comparable. This is also a really good comparable. This one's a little bit on the better side, but pretty good features. 2351. This one also 540 went up to 560. This is probably, yeah, this is a little bit newer as well. So this is going up to 560. Yeah, I think 560 is kind of where things are going for. This is 595. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so this is a lot higher ceiling heights. 2007, 81st Street, which is a little bit on the east side, but very similar in regards to that. And then, yeah, this, I mean, look at the quality difference. I think it starts going high here. 1997's got the high ceilings as well. So this is kind of getting up to the 615. This one started at 550, but went all the way to 615 for some reason. Let's kind of look at the... Oh, I don't know why this went to 615. I don't see anything special here. Yeah, I don't see anything special here. So going up to 615 is quite... oh, it's a Renaissance home. Okay, so yeah, these Renaissance homes do go a little bit higher. So okay, yeah, these don't really match the description. Okay, so we're really looking at like 560 to really win it, maybe 565 as the market has been creeping up. So I would recommend 560, 565, somewhere in there. And that, you know, again, should it win it? Yes, absolutely. But, you know, I'll go a little bit higher, maybe 565 with it going 15,000 above. That's kind of the comparable that I see as we're kind of moving up in that price. So that's kind of where I'd be in terms of price. Hopefully that's helpful. I think 565. I can send you this this list as well, so then you can have that as a reference. All right.